Hello guys, a new mining site for BNB crypto. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. The link will be in the description. We must have faucetpay BNB address. We go to our faucetpay. This is our faucetpay. The link will be in description also of the site. We'll use a script to claim unlimited BNB. We go to over here, we click in wallet, we select BNB, Binance coin, we click here, we select deposit, we copy our address, then we return to the site. We click in start earning and put our address here. Now we click in connect. Now our site is connecting. Like you see, we have a free power. Like you see, you will get this daily profit 0.6018 BNB for free. Like you see, this is free hash power of 10 mega. Also, you can deposit in the site and maximize your earning. You can buy hash power by clicking here and buy hash power. Let's talk about it must be 5 minimum. For 0.005 BNB you can buy hash power and claim unlimited BNB for free. Now we go to our Termux. The link of the site, also of the faucetpay, of the script will be all in the description of the video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Let's go to Termux. We open our Termux. We put CD storage, CD space storage. We click in enter. Now we put ls. We click enter. Now we put CD space downloads. We click enter. Now we click ls. We click enter. Now we put CD space crypto BNB. Now we click ls to open the file. Click enter. Now we put php space bnb.php. It's the script. We just return like that. Now it will ask for doing this short link. We do the short link to get the password with the code VM4YQAUW. We open our link like you see. We click in password. We click in password. We search for the password key. Is this one, VM4YQ. We click in link 2 or link 1 as you wish. Scroll down. You complete this simple short link. Our link will be in the description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. We complete this small short link. We click continue. We complete this second short link. Now we will be redirected to the. Now we get our password. We click our password. We return to our Termux. We put our password. It will check the password if it's true. Excuse me, it's the end. It's M. When you copy it, copy the E with E. Now excuse me, and with M must. Now it's okay. We click enter. Now our script will start login. Like you see, script is starting. It's simple. There is Temple Mining wallet. We put our wallet. It asks for your BNB wallet. We go to our faucetpay and make the wallet here. We put our wallet here, we click enter. Now we add our wallet, it's success. Now we click in number 2 mining. We select one because we have one wallet. You can add multiple wallet as you want. You can do with 3 or 5 wallet. You always select one and add the wallet as you want. Like you see, it's simple. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Like you see, the script is work fine. It will claim for you every 1 minute. Let's see how it's work. Like we see, also you can add the number of wallets, create multiple account of in faucetpay and get paid too. You can get paid in every wallet separately, and you can send to your basic wallet. Like you see, it's sent to my wallet. Let's see my wallet. This is my wallet. Like you see, I received 1 BNB. It's simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.